Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll walk you through how to access your watch history on Twitter with a simple step-by-step guide. Let's dive right in. First, open the Twitter X app on your device and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Support, then tap Settings and Privacy. Next, go to your account and look for Download and Archive of your data. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to enter your password for security verification. Once you've entered your password, you'll see an option to request archive. Tap on it and Twitter will begin processing your request. This may take up to 24 hours or longer. When your archive is ready, Twitter will send you an email with a download link. Follow the instructions in the email to access your watch history and other activity data. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your watch history on Twitter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.